was like genuinely never going to do this because like I thought like abandoned places fitting into like vlogs about music was never going to make any sense. But hey, I mean, a vlog is a vlog, right? Tonight we're exploring an abandoned place. Can't wait. Super exciting. Hope you're ready because I know I am. Mwah. Mwah. Hooray! Just feel like eerily dodgy though, doesn't it?
It does feel weird.
It does feel really weird, especially because it's so next to the road.
Hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube.
This does feel different because of like where we are.
Yeah.
There's people all around.
I know.
Society.
And people can see us.
That's when the flashlight's not on.
Oh yeah.
I was just trying to reduce the light.
The thing is you can't see shit when the flashlights are on.
If you leave the flashlights on for long enough, your eyes will adjust.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard that. That is creepy. Jesus.
Does that say 2009?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Fucking hell, what the fuck? How long do you think it's been abandoned for?
Fuck knows.
Friday, March 13th, 2009.
No.
What was this building?
Yeah, what was this building actually? Switch off now.
No.
It's on or off?
Yet again, lovely tiles.
I like the flowers on the vines.
There's a fucking fire.
Yeah, there's been a lot of fire stuff around.
I was looking for like documentation.
Actually, like, what was this building?
Oh, there's some fun graffiti.
I don't think there's anything here that's useful. These that at the top line.
Staff and understand their bomb. Something about like bond insurance.
The top line. Bonds.
What was this place?
Fuck, something about bombs in here.
There's just so much like fire notice stuff I've seen. So much fire notice stuff and like bombs.
Oh my Jesus Christ. What on earth?
Someone's been busy.
What is all this?
Oh my god, what is this?
Oh my god. What's this for?
This building's under construction.
I'm really nervous. I'm just gonna like jump out of this. I mean, like someone who works here is gonna have some random living here.
Yeah. It's either under construction or they're taking it apart. All the walling.
Yeah, like structure.
Yeah. Oh, that's a long ass fucking creepy hallway.
Kind of happy to know it wasn't just me.
This just turned spooky.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what's a CD?
Who brings that here?
What the fuck? Music. Drink, rock and roll.
So random.
It's so funny.
TV, history. The grey matter workout. It is like really weird. I think this place is weirder than the last one.
I prefer this one.
Yeah.
There's more to it.
Yeah.
The other one was too repetitive.
Yeah, because everything was gone. We literally disturbed sleeping time. No, because there's one right above the door.
There's always the other staircase.
We should try the other staircase.
Yeah,
Let's just casually walk. We'll see you guys later. We'll check back in and like, we'll check back in.
That's why when I was looking at the stairs, I was going, why is there so much bird shit?
Hey.
It's because the skylight's broken. Hello.
This floor looks the exact same as the last floor. We're in the back rooms. Oh, what is that?
Paint.
Oh, it does not look paint on the camera. That looks so much more dodgy.
That looks dodgy, yeah.
That looks really dodgy, doesn't it?
It does, but when you look at that, it's not so much.
Yeah, when you look at that, it's like, okay. But when you look at this, you're like, what on earth the fuck are you doing?
You think we're next?
Who's first?
Is that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?